Bringing a new medicine to patients is a journey of responsibility, guided by rigorous science and oversight. In the US and EU, powerful regulatory bodies like the FDA and EMA act as gatekeepers, ensuring drugs are both effective and safe. This process builds trust in modern medicine and protects public health. Regulatory agencies demand hard evidence from years of research to validate a drug's benefits and scrutinize its safety. They sift through complex data to answer a simple question: is this drug ready for the public? Their standardized, transparent framework holds drug developers accountable, ensuring high standards worldwide. This demanding process enables medical innovation, giving doctors and patients confidence in new treatments. Ultimately, robust drug approval isn't a barrier. It's the foundation of safe, effective healthcare. In the US, drug development starts with preclinical research, lab and animal studies to assess safety and potential. Only the most promising candidates move forward, with data compiled into an investigational new drug (IND) application for the FDA. If the FDA approves, human clinical trials begin in 3 phases. Phase 1 tests safety in a small group of healthy volunteers. Phase 2 expands to patients, focusing on safety and early effectiveness. Phase 3 involves hundreds or thousands, confirming effectiveness and monitoring side effects. Success in all phases leads to a new drug application, NDA, or Biologics License Application, BLA. The FDA's expert teams review all data, weighing benefits against risks. If approved, the drug enters the market, but post-approval monitoring continues to ensure long-term safety. This process is rigorous, but it's what makes US medicines among the safest in the world. The EU's drug approval process mirrors the US in many ways, but operates across multiple countries. It starts with preclinical research, followed by a clinical trial application reviewed by national authorities and ethics committees. The clinical trials regulation streamlines this with a centralized portal, ensuring high standards across the EU. Clinical trials progress through the same 3 phases as in the US, adhering to good clinical practice. After trials, companies submit a marketing authorization application to the EMA via the centralized procedure. The EMA's expert committee reviews the data. If positive, the European Commission grants approval for all EU states. One approval opens access to the entire European market. The FDA and EMA share the goal of safe, effective medicines, but their structures differ. The FDA is a single US agency. The EMA coordinates with national authorities across the EU. The US grants nationwide approval with one application, while the EU offers several pathways: centralized, decentralized, and mutual recognition. Review timelines differ. The FDA's priority review can be as fast as 6 months, while the EMA's standard is about 7 months, though pauses for extra data can extend this. Post-approval changes are handled differently, with the US requiring supplements and the EU categorizing variations. Understanding these nuances is crucial for companies aiming for global markets. While scientific standards are harmonized, navigating each system requires specialized knowledge. Strategic planning is key to success in both regions. For regulatory professionals, fluency in drug submission terminology is essential. In the US, know the difference between NDA, ANDA, and BLA. In Europe, understand the MAA and the various approval routes. Familiarity with EMA committees like CHMP and PRAC is vital for EU submissions. The Common Technical Document, CTD, is the global standard for organizing submission data, with 5 key modules covering everything from admin details to clinical reports. Mastering the CTD structure is a core skill for regulatory and quality professionals. Highlighting this knowledge on your resume shows real-world readiness. Focus on practical learning, courses, webinars, and agency guidance. Employers value hands-on expertise over general knowledge. Your understanding of these systems is your ticket to a successful regulatory career. The US and EU drug approval systems are rigorous, respected, and united by a commitment to public health. Their work ensures medicines are safe, effective, and trustworthy. Increasing harmonization, like the CTD, streamlines global drug development and speeds patient access. Collaboration is essential, especially in times of global health crises. Regulatory professionals bridge science and patient care, playing a vital role in global health. Mastering these systems is more than a career asset. It's a contribution to millions of lives. The path is demanding, but at its end are patients waiting for hope.